absolutely loved was how encouraging everyone was for me personally in me wanting to be a speech advocate for young people in mental health. They gave me as many resources, let me talk to as many people as possible without seeming annoyed or frustrated with all my questions and curiosities. And that is something that a lot of people don't get to experience when talking to these big people who've done these big things.
My three takeaways was the identity and knowing your rights, and also the environmental. The identity is just to know that who you are and not letting nobody tell you who you are. And I feel like that stands out to me the most because our identity is shaped in so many different ways. And I feel like just you as who you are can make the world just better.
Graphic novels, comics, that combine artwork and writing with dialogue, so you're able to tell a story and visually.
What I loved about today is the amount of people that came here from different schools. You know, I got to connect with a lot of different people, a lot from different communities. It's like a small community today, you know, even though it was like the first time everybody met each other.
Know your rights. Know your rights. You all have rights as human beings, and you have to know who they are and know what they are in order to advocate for yourself.
The other one that I stood with was the having advocacy for yourself, like knowing your rights.
We learned a little bit about intersectionality, which is basically where, you know, you have a lot of different identities that intersect with one another, and how that affects people of color, and how that just affects someone's overall life. And the second takeaway that I got from today was about how to stand up for yourself when you meet with racial hostility at, let's say, at like school or like any type of those environment. That we got some resources on like who to reach out to, who to talk to, and those kind of stuff. And the third thing that I am taking away with me today is mental health awareness. We learned a lot about that. We talked a lot about that. We learned about our emotions, how, you know, that affects, how that plays a role in our life, and how our reactions to our emotions and like the control we have over our emotions, and how like that affects our overall life.
Be careful. You can't help somebody else if you're not okay. Okay, so we are here emphasizing and making sure that mental health is at the forefront of everything that you do.
It felt like a community. I got to talk to so many new people. It was a really nice experience.